Okay, so here we are at the cabin that we built 6 years ago, and we never really finished it, the inside at least. We put a nice little screen porch on it, a little side porch here. We actually built this all from scrap material and my buddy's decking that he had at his house that he was going to get rid of. And we actually have another whole set of decking over there we're going to turn into a bigger cabin. But right now we're going to work on this one, and we're going to do the inside. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and yeah, we're going to take out all this plywood here, and we're going to put in some tongue and groove through the whole place and make it look really nice. So that's what we're going to do today. And we're probably going to put a window in over here too. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so we're going to get ready to start removing all this particle board that's in here. And we're going to get everything out. Danny's undoing the window. Probably going to put a window right here. And yeah, you can see up top when we first built it. We added Major on in 2016. This the little loft up here for the kids. It's got its own door. So I just noticed we got a little nest up in here, and it's got some baby birds in it. You see those little guys? Aww. That's so cool. You can see the guy in the back too. Alright, let's not disturb them. Hang on, I'm not done doing that part yet. Go ahead.
What'd you say about me, Walt? Huh? Oh, it's connected.
Tongue and groove, and this is what's gonna go on everything. It's gonna cover up the walls, and that'll make the cabin look really nice. So, yep, that's what we'll be doing next. All right, we spray foam the whole thing, and once that dries, we'll be able to cut off the excess, and then we're gonna frame out the window on the outside here, and we should be all set. So there's gonna be a part 2 coming up for doing the inside, and so hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and check out part 2 where we get going on the inside. All right, bye.